In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get free trial of TradingView. First, you can head over to tradingview.com and directly from there, you can already see the $0 forever. So this is also a free option, so click on this sign up option. You can also see in here that we have our pricing. We have Essential, Plus, Premium, and Ultimate option. Ultimate has free trial for 7 days. Premium, Plus, and Essential has free trial for 30 days. For example, let's just right here the Essential and click on this try free for 30 days. Now continue signing up. You can sign up using your Google, Facebook, X, Yahoo, as well as your Apple and LinkedIn. You can also sign up using your email. So head over and then sign up right here. And after that, they should be able to ask you for your details. So you can head over and then get a free trial of this. Enter your billing information. Now, they won't charge you for now, but after 30 days and you haven't canceled, you can head over and then get this right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.